Hello everyone. Welcome to the session number 7, Introduction to Statistics. So today is day 7 and we are discussing about the second step of statistics, organize the data. So in the session number 4, 5, 6, we discussed about the qualitative data, how to represent the qualitative data. So there are various ways we can represent. One is pie charts, the second one is bar graphs, then the third one is a special type of bar graphs is called a Pareto charts, right? So those are all the three ways we can represent. So now we are moving to the uh, how to represent the quantitative data. So in that we will be focusing on tally marks. Okay, so this is about me and this is my LinkedIn ID, so you can follow me, right? So yeah, so yeah, so this we know already, right? So there are various ways are there, quantitative data and qualitative data. So we are done completely with this qualitative data. So we learned about pie charts, we learned about bar graphs, we learned about Pareto charts, right? So now we will move to the numerical data, how to represent the numerical data. In the first we will be focusing on tally marks. So today our focus will be this one. Okay, great. Okay, so what are the tally marks? To understand the tally marks, let us take one simple example. So generally see, so these tally marks generally we it is a very simple way of representation, right? So to understand, let us take this example. In a class of 42 students, okay, a survey has been conducted to know their favorite subject, right? So this is the data. So this is a raw data, right? This is the raw data, and from this we don't know, right, which what is the favorite, which subject is liked by the most number of students, that we don't know. When we know, when we represent it in a proper way, right? So we want to know which one is the favorite subject. So here this is the data of 42 students, and each student they have given their response as mathematics, science, English and physics, right? So M for mathematics, S for science, E for English and P for physics. So let us try to represent by taking the tally marks. So for that, what we do, we just make a tabular form table, so which is representing the four subjects, and then we use the tally marks. You just remember this one, total number of students. So this number is having a significance. This is a significant number. So we have one specialty about this number. Okay, for each mathematics and science and English and physics, for each category. Okay, so let us try to draw. So here, what is the first student? M. So I am drawing. So tally marks are drawn with a line, vertical line. So this is the line, this is the way. So in tally marks, what do? We draw four lines like this, and then fifth one will be the cross. So this is together one set. One set consists of five lines. What are those five lines? One is a first four vertical lines, then the cross one, fifth one. Clear? So M, let us draw. Next E, second student, and third student is S, and there are two students M, one, two, and then there are yes students. So one, two, and then how many P's are one, two, three students like P, one, two, three, right? Then one, two, three yes. So one, right? And this is two. So we are done with the five. So two already done. So one more line here, right? Next is E. So E is here. E. So again EE. Then next to two math students, one is here, right? The other one will be cross, right? So as I said, four vertical lines. The fifth one will be cross. And P, how many? One, two, three. Three P's are there. So this is one, two, and three. Okay. So next again P. Next M. So M. So once we done with the another set, we will move to the next set similarly. So we are done with the M. So yes, science, and then again English. So this one, fifth one. Then again science, right? So then again English. So English will be the new set again. So one, two, three. Three physics, two, three physics. One, two, three. Right. So M. Three maths. One, two, three. P again. Another set, new set. M again. Here M. And P again. P. Yes. And science. So fourth line. English. So we'll make it two lines. Then math, and next physics. Right. Now you count now. So one set is 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. And this is 5 plus 9. Sorry, 5 plus 4, that is 9. Then here 5 plus 3, 8. Then here 5 plus how much? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Right. So now you can see by using these tally marks we can identify that the more like more number of students are liking physics, right? So physics is their favorite subject, then mathematics, then science, and then English, right? So now if you see here, what is this 12 represent? What is the significance of this number? Here we can say that this 12 is appeared. If you see in this table, this M is appeared for 12 times, right? So there are 12 students who gave response as mathematics. And here similarly there are 13 student, 9 student, 8 means this particular science response, the particular English response, particular uh, physics response is appeared for 13 times, 9 times, 8 times, right? So therefore we have a one special name for this. Okay, so that I will discuss in the next slide. So this is the way we represent the tally marks. Okay, clear? So this generally we use like where if you see whenever if you want to make the scoreboard, right? In sports when you are playing cricket, if you want to make the note of the runs, right? So we generally use these tally marks, right, to count. So this is a general way we represent. So this we use only when you have the like a very small quantity of data, right? So when you have large, so we generally don't use it, it will be time taking, right? So these are all these some like more generally we use this data very like identify easily and to know the count, right? So that is the way we represent the tally marks. Okay, so as I said, in the like a total number of students, so that mathematics is appeared for 12 times, but that means that response mathematics is repeated for 12 times, right? So that is called a frequency. So whenever if a particular thing or particular event or particular value is repeating for how many number of times, that is called a frequency. So therefore we can say that mathematics in the previous one, So mathematics is 12, right? So therefore 12 is the frequency of mathematics. That means there are 12 students who gave their response as mathematics as their favorite subject, right? So therefore this is the word we use now onwards. Okay, frequency. So as I said, when you have the large number of data, it is not easy, like it is not like a proper way to represent by using the tally marks, because it consumes time also, and then it will be hectic, right? So we cannot simply draw the tally marks and we will go on count, right? So then we have various, like the other way of representation, so that is frequency distributions, right? So in that frequency distribution, again we have two types: discrete class intervals and continuous class intervals. So we will discuss about these frequency distributions in the next session. Okay, yeah. Thank you. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and comment, and also please share my videos with your friends or any with your contacts. Okay, thank you.